Have you ever wondered where colors come from? Today we're going to tell a magical tale from a place called Spectrumville, where colors are not just seen, but felt, and where a group of friends embarked on a quest to restore the vibrancy of their world. In the heart of Spectrumville was the Rainbow Circus, led by Sparkle, a rainbow-colored elephant who could paint the sky with hues of happiness. But one day, Sparkle noticed something amiss. The colors of Spectrumville were fading, and a gloom was descending over their home. Undeterred, Sparkle rallied her friends from the circus: Twirl, Glimmer, and Bounce. They were a diverse group, each with their own unique talents and strengths, but they shared a common goal: to restore the colors of their world. Their journey was filled with challenges and wonders. They navigated through the painted plains, braved the Melody Meadows, and faced the wisdom of the color guardian in the Crystal Caverns. Through each obstacle, their friendship and creativity shone brighter, illuminating their path. In the end, their love for each other and their home touched the heart of the color guardian, who rewarded them with the Prism Crystal, the source of all colors. As they returned to Spectrumville, a burst of color spread across the town, turning it into a kaleidoscope of happiness. The Rainbow Circus, now with the magic of the Prism Crystal, brought joy and laughter back to the townspeople. Their performances became a spectacle of color and light, a testament to their friendship, their creativity, and the beauty of diversity. And the Prism Crystal, in its gratitude, granted Sparkle and her friends a special gift: the ability to spread joy wherever they went. From that day forward, the Rainbow Circus traveled to different lands, sharing their colorful performances and bringing smiles to faces young and old. In the heart of Spectrumville, the Rainbow Circus became a symbol of friendship, creativity, and diversity. The story of Sparkle and her friends is a reminder that when we work together, when we embrace our differences, we can create a world filled with color and joy. So the next time you see a rainbow, remember the story of the Rainbow Circus and the magic that happens when we celebrate our unique colors. As Sparkle and her friends showed us, it's our diversity that paints our world with beauty and vibrancy. And it's our friendship that brings it all to life.